Okay, now the topic here, we're going to look at mail merging. And so the use of mail merging, it's just to help you. Now, for example, you want to send, let me use an example of a letter to very many people, but then it's very tiresome for you to type that same letter over and over again, like for each person. So you just have to have a sample of the letter you want to send to all these people, and then you have to have a table somewhere that you've written in the details of the recipients, and then you can bring the two together and make all these documents that you want at the same time from this one without having to retype. And so I have two documents here. So assuming this is a letter, a sample letter that I want to send to very many people, inviting them for a function. And then I have a second document that is having a table, and this table is having some few information about the people that I want to send this letter to. The table can be as long depending on the number of people that you're sending the document to. So now for mail merging, so this is my letter. Now what I have to do, you come to the tab for mailings and you open it. So you come and choose start mail merge, and then you select. So for this one, I'm dealing with letters, so I select my letters, and then you select the recipients. So you can either type a new list. For example, if I didn't have already my table somewhere, then I can choose type a new list, and then a dialog box will appear, and then I can type in the names, the address, and everything. But since I already have an existing list, I already have an existing list. So I just have to come here and then I select my list. So my list is on the desktop, so you open the document. Like you click on the document that you want, the one which has the table. Then after that, you come here and you insert merge field. Like now you want to merge. So in my table, like I have to, like in my table, I already had a column. I already had a column having recipient's name, and according to my letter, I can see here that this is where I want to put my recipient's name, then recipient's address somewhere in my table, and then I want to put my recipient's address here, and then phone number. So inserting merge field is basically now you bringing that name, like you showing that, okay, I want my recipient name to come here in the letter. So you select recipient name, but as you select it, you have to put your cursor where you want your recipient name to come. So I want my recipient name to come here, so you come to insert merge field, and then meaning this recipient name is going to come where my cursor is, and that's what happens. And I also want my recipient name to come here. So you still come to insert merge field, recipient name there. Then I want my address to come here. I just have to put my cursor there, and then I click address. Then I want the recipient's phone number to come here. So I select phone number. Now after inserting the merge fields, that means like when you now finish and then merge all the names that are in my table, each of them, and like the entire row having information for one person is going to come to all these places, the person's name, their address, their phone number, and then the next page will have information of another person, the other page information of another person, then now you can send. So I come to finish and merge, and then I come to edit individual documents. Yeah, merge records, just click OK. So after clicking OK, you see that now this one is going to someone called Najat in Gulu, and this is her phone number. Yeah, then as you move down on another page, this other one is going to another person with all their information shown here, and then also this one is going to another person with all their information shown here. Then from here you can now just send without having to retype. That's the basic concept of mail merge, just helping us not to waste a lot of time in retyping the document. Yeah, maybe in case you wanted to just make some changes, yeah, you can, but that's it for mail merging. Thank you for the audience. The next video, yeah, shall continue from there.